Let us solve a problem. From the following particulars, prepare the receipts and payments account of Sagar Sports Club for the year ending 31st March 2020. So, here receipts and payments account of Sagar Sports Club we are preparing. Let us identify which comes under receipts and payments. Cash balance as on 1/4/2019. How can we find out whether a opening balance or a closing balance? Opening balance, because the financial year starts on 1/4/2019 and ends on 31/3/2020. So always 1/4/2019 is opening balance. 31/3/2020 would be closing balance. So it is receipts. Bank balance as on 1/4/2019 has told above. It is also receipts. Light charges paid. It is an expenditure to the company, so it is on the payment side. So it is a payment. General expenses is an expense to the firm, so it is a pay. It is on payment side. Sports equipments purchased. Any expense is being purchased from the firm is also a payment. Admission received is also a expenditure to the firm, so it is been received. It is a receipt. Subscription from the members, it is an inflow of money to the firm, so it is a receipt. Donation received is also an inflow to the firm, so it is a receipt. Dividend is received is also an inflow to the firm, it is receipt. Games fee is also an inflow to the firm, so it is a receipt. Salary paid to the staff is an expense to the firm where the cash is going out, so it is a payment. Office expenses, the cash is moving out, so it is a payment. Securities purchased, the firm is purchasing the securities, so it is a payment. Cash balance as on 31/3/2020 as told above. We discussed cash balance as on 1/4/2019 is an opening balance. So 31/3/2020 would be a closing balance. Closing balance will come under payment side. So payment. Even this is bank balance as on 31/3/2020 is also payment side. Sagar Sports Club receipts and payments account for the year ending 31/3/2020. Receipts amount, payment amount. Cash balance as on 1/4/2019 is a receipt. So to opening balance, cash in hand 61,200. Bank balance as on 1/4/2019 receipt. Cash at bank 94,000. Light charges paid is a payment. By light charges 4,200. General expenses payment. By general expenses 12,500. Sports equipments purchased is a payment. By sports equipments 31,300. Admission fee received is a receipt. To admission fee 55,200. Subscription from members receipt. To subscription from members 2,20,000. Donation received receipts. To donation 1,06,000. Dividend received. To dividend 4,200. Game fee received receipts. To game fee 8,200. Salary paid to staff payment. By salary to staff 94,000. Office expenses payment. By office expenses 45,000. Securities purchased payment 2,40,000. By securities purchased. By balance of cash in hand, cash at bank is it's already given in the question, so you can write the same thing. So this is the closing balance of cash in hand 61,800. Closing balance of cash in at bank, so it is 60,000 we are recording here. Both the side total should be 5,48,800, 5,48,800. Watching, please like and share to our channel Learners Tutor. See you in the next class.